Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty guy. Let's just jump straight to our analysis of Nifty. So what we had discussed yesterday was to long Nifty above yesterday's high with a pullback and we'll short it below this particular trend line break. Nifty opened flat, which according to me is the best opening that Nifty can give. Nifty usually moves in gaps, but a flat opening is something which can give you a good trading day. Now, the first trade that one could have entered was on this inside candle. I'll just zoom in a bit. So, like I say, Nifty opened flat, went up. I waited for this particular pullback, which is an inside bar, and on the break of this particular high, I entered longs. I exited somewhere here. Then there was a flag which was forming over here, which is a basically a bullish sign as well again. Pole and a flag pattern. And as soon as this broke out, I again entered longs. So for someone who would not have entered on this particular inside bar, they do not understand inside bar as a pullback, could have waited for this particular pullback and then entered over here. The market gave us a lot of opportunities today. Post this move, market went sideways for some time, and then again, once it broke this particular high, I'll mark it for you. There was another long opportunity which I took. Post that, the market started consolidating in a again in a kind of a channel, but there were no particular trades in this particular area. There was a short trade which I planned around this particular trend line break, but it was just a 2 point touch. And I because the sentiment spot intraday, I'm specifically saying for intraday were bullish. I did not take this particular short trade. Now the third trade was around here, but I did not even take this particular trade. Third trade, as in third entry, was around here when this channel had broken down. But this was around post 2:30, around which time I prefer not to take any trades, and then it's a very high probable trade. So our analysis for today worked perfectly fine. I hope my analysis yesterday for people who had watched my video would have helped them to make a money. It also emphasizes on not keeping a bias. The overall sentiments were bearish, but still we planned a long entry, and there's a particular reason for it. Uh, there's no so for tomorrow, what we can actually do is we can initiate a long position above today's high with a pullback, and see for taking a short trade because the overall sentiments are down. I'll just zoom it on a 4 hours time period and we'll just use this tool, which is Fibonacci, and we'll wait for the markets to at least come back below the 50% mark. We will wait for the markets to retrace 50% of it, and then below this only we will plan a short trade. So we'll just mark this particular level as well, which is the 50% level, and we will plan a short trade only below this. So I'll just remove the Fibonacci and we'll come back to the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the simple plan of action. We'll not plan any shorts below this level for intraday purposes only. Sorry for that. It was drawn on a bigger time frame. So kind of it is now easier to understand. Uh, do not take this today's candle as a reversal candle. It's simply a pullback in a longer downward trend. But still, these moves are something which you should not move. So there's a long impending short covering move which I was expecting. And today we kind of got a flavor of it. It can continue still upwards, it can continue downwards again. So let us not predict anything, but be ready for anything. And let the markets commit to you before you commit to the market by take without for taking any particular position. So yeah, that's it from me for today. If you like the content, please subscribe, like, put down anything that you have in the comments. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. This is your Nifty guy signing off. Cheers. Thank you so much.